In valleys that should have frozen solid, a warm wind wandered. Stone looked softened. Crops stood green. Ember Peak gave no roar, only evidence.
No tracks, no smoke, no sound but that humming. Keep your blade ready, Rowan. Whatever lives here doesn't want to be seen.
They expected soot and bones, the usual trophies of fire. Instead, the cave felt tended, stone smoothed, air warmed, silence held in place by a humming pulse.
This isn't hoarded treasure. It's alive in a way. Feel it. Warmth without flame. Like the mountain is breathing through these stones.
We're close, brother. The light ahead. There's no turning back now. I've seen that glow before. It means something is stirring deep within. Then we face it together. No fear, only duty.
It's right there, and it won't strike. No roar, no flare. Rowan, this isn't a hunter. It's guarding something we don't understand.
Below, the truth lay in stone and spite. A new dam strangled the river. Past it, the valley had gone numb. The mountain's warmth wasn't conquest, it was compensation.
We came to slay a monster, but it's holding the valley together. Alric, if we draw steel, we break what it's trying to save.
Men had tried to master the river with a wall of stone, and the valley paid the price. When the dam gave way, the water didn't just return, it forgave, rushing back into the land.
No glory to carry home, only the right choice. Let the mountain keep its guardian, let the valley live, and if the humming returns, we'll remember why.
Look at the lighting on this armor, look at the lip synchronization. Most creators are paying $300 a month, right, for a stack of subscriptions to get this level of quality. Today, I'm going to show you how to build this exact cinematic workflow using top-tier models, completely free, with no limits. We are going to combine the world's smartest writing model with a new image generator called Nano Banana Pro and a video engine that handles lip syncs better than Runway. Usually, you hit a paywall after 10 generations or you run out of credits. The method I'm showing you today is fully legitimate, but it relies on a specific direct chat feature most people ignore. I also found a way to bypass the slow rendering times on the video generator, which is the biggest downside of this free workflow. I'll share that workaround at the end. First, we need a story. Start by searching LMArena on Google. This is typically used to test AI models against each other. But there is a hidden utility here. Go to the top menu and select Direct Chat. This is the key. Instead of paying for individual subscriptions, this platform gives you access to the world's top large language models, or LLMs, for free. In the model dropdown, I'm selecting GPT 5.2. This is currently the strongest logic model available. Most beginners fail here because they ask for a script. We don't just need a script, we need visual descriptions, image prompts, video motion prompts, and voice direction. I have created a master prompt that does all of this at once. I've put the text in the description below so you can copy and paste it. Paste the prompt. All you need to do is fill in the project settings section at the bottom with your story idea. I'm doing a medieval scene about a knight named Sir Alric. Watch this, it gives me the character personalities, the exact visual description for the image generator, and the specific motion prompts for the video generator. Copy all of this into a notepad or Word document. This is your blueprint. We have the text, now we need the performance. For this, we are using 11 Labs. They have the most realistic intonation on the market, and the free tier is generous enough for short films. There is a critical distinction here. Narration versus dialogue. Narration is the storyteller. Dialogue is the character speaking. Do not mix them up in one file. Your LLM gave you character profiles. Use them to pick the voice. First character is Sir Alric. The prompt says he is disciplined, protective, and slow to trust.
No tracks, no smoke, no sound but that humming. Keep your blade ready, Rowan. Whatever lives here doesn't want to be seen.
This deep voice has that weight. It fits a lead knight. Second character is Sir Rowan. The prompt describes him as curious and empathetic. This softer tone works for Rowan.
This isn't hoarded treasure. It's alive in a way. Feel it. Warmth without flame. Like the mountain is breathing through these stones.
Generate your narration files first. Then, generate the dialogue files separately. Label them clearly on your computer. If you don't stay organized now, the video editing step will be a nightmare. Now, the visuals. We are going back to LMArena. Click the image icon or switch the mode to image generation. In the model list, we are looking for Nano Banana Pro. It's an odd name, but right now, it is one of the best image generation models in the world for photorealism, and here, it is unlimited. I paste the prompt for Sir Alric. Look at the texture on the metal. This is movie quality. Download it. I do this for Sir Rowan also. Here's the hardest part of AI images. Consistency. How do we keep Sir Alric looking like Sir Alric in the next shot? Check your visual descriptions from our text file. In the next scene, I have Alric, Rowan, and an elder named Mara. I upload the images of Alric and Rowan I just made. I paste the prompt for the group scene. I am not generating an image for Elder Mara separately because she only appears in this one scene. If you get a server, busy message, or hit your limits message, just wait few minutes. Or switch to the backup model in the list. Here's a pro tip for action. Next scene, I want Alric to lift a torch, but the AI might make Rowan do it. In the prompt, identify Alric by his red surcoat. This creates a specific visual anchor for the AI. Generate all your keyframes, rename them immediately. Now, we bring them to life. Search for Wan AI on Google. This is the engine that will animate our static images. You will see a credit system when you log in. Ignore it, there is a specific setting that allows us to bypass credit usage for standard generations. Upload your first scene for shots with just narration. Select the Model 1 up 2.6, click the Settings button. Set your resolution to 1080p. You can go up to 15 seconds. This is the important part. Look for the checkbox that says Generate with Credit. Untick it. Now you are generating on the free public queue. Upload your matching narration audio. Ensure the audio length matches the video length you selected.
Valleys that rose solid, a warm wind. Stone stood green, gave no roar, only evidence.
Next, turn on the clapboard icon. This is an auto-cut feature that creates multi-shot dynamics without manual editing. Finally, click the book icon. This is your director's chair. You can set camera movement, lens type, and lighting. Hit generate. Now look at the results.
In valleys that should have frozen solid, a warm wind wandered. Stone looked softened. Crops stood green. Ember Peak gave no roar, only evidence.
Scene 2 has dialogue. We need the characters to actually speak. Upload your image. If there are two people in the frame, you must specify who is talking in the prompt. I write that. The man in the red surcoat speaks. This guides the lip sync engine to the correct face. Then, upload your dialogue audio.
No tracks, no sound but that hung. Your blade, Rowan. Whatever doesn't want to be seen.
For this, we must change models. Switch to 1. 2.5 preview. It is limited to 10 seconds. But the lip sync technology is superior. Look at that result.
No tracks, no smoke, no sound but that humming. Keep your blade ready, Rowan. Whatever lives here doesn't want to be seen.
For a free tool, this is incredible. Here is the reality check. The trade-off for free is time. A 15-second clip at 1080p on the free server can take 15 to 20 minutes to generate. If the server is busy, it takes longer. If you are making a full video, you cannot wait 20 minutes per shot. The solution is parallel processing. I use 2 different Google accounts. I run generations on both simultaneously. This cuts your production time in half. Once the clips are done, drag them into your editor, stack the sound effects, add your background music, and export. I've linked the master prompt in the description. Try this workflow on a short 30-second story first. Before tackling a movie, thanks for watching.